So my background is being a welder and fabricator, doing it since I left school. Um, First job was working for a local company to me. At the age of 24, I decided to go self-employed as a sole trader, doing a bit of welding for local companies. Forwarding on 8 years now, I own a manufacturing company that operates out of a 15,000 square foot factory that employs around 30 members of staff. I just because as a company owner, it was I could see the potential in myself along with the business, but I felt to get the business where I needed to get it, I felt business coaching was probably the best thing for me to get it there. With business coaching, it gives me more clarity on my position and my company's position and what I need to do to get it to where it needs to go. Steve, when he first approached me, I was openly honest, said I wasn't in the right position to commit to coaching. But 2 years later, he obviously saw something in me, and I just felt that I'm a very good and quick person to develop relationships and relationship builders, and I felt that was definitely the case with Steve. Steve's coaching can be very intense, but for me that's good. Um, the benefits are he's very to the point, which for somebody like myself to try and get clarity on the business and the structure is exactly what I needed. To be honest, I actually think the support's been more than I was expecting prior to lockdown. He's offering 30-minute sessions in the morning, kickstarts for all his team members, which is not only just coaching from Steve, but it's good to have some side effects or bounce back from other members of the team who run business as well, who share their same difficulties, and it's nice to hear that from them. In terms of coaching prior to lockdown and during lockdown, I felt it's not changed at all, other than it's been virtual, which has been absolutely fine. If I was going to advise something about business coaching, I would say the time it takes you need to put to the business coaching, you'll gain that fourfold going forward. It's worth every minute of your time to put to the side every 2 weeks for 1 hour. And if you really want to progress in business and get a good understanding of who you are as a person, not just as well as your business, then I definitely would recommend having business coaching.